I'm Arlena Leon. We are going to demo object-oriented programming. Before that, what is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming. What is object-oriented programming? Object-oriented programming, in short, OOP, refers to a type of a programming in which programmers define the data type of a data structure and the type of operation that can be applied to the data structure. What are the benefits of object-oriented programming? Improved productivity during software development, improved software maintainability, faster development sprints, lower cost of development, and also higher quality software. What are the four basic principles building blocks of OOP, object-oriented programming? First, abstraction; second, inheritance; third, encapsulation; and fourth, polymorphism. Inheritance. It is computer programs are designed in such a way where everything is an object that interacts with one another. Inheritance is one such concept where the properties of one class can be inherited by the other. It helps to reuse the code and establish a relationship between different classes. As we can see in the image, a child inherits the properties of his father. Similarly, in Java, there are two classes: parent class, superclass or base class; child class, subclass or derived class. A class which inherits the properties is known as child class, whereas class whose properties are inherited is known as a parent class. Access modifiers. Public, the code is accessible for all classes. Private, the code is only accessible within the declared class. Protected, the code is accessible in the theme package and subclasses. Simple example of inheritance. This is the superclass or parent class. Class, parent, braces, public void, P1, system out println, parent method. This one is parent class method. Subclass, child class. In the second line, this is the child class that we're going to extend the parent. Public class child extend parent bracket public void C1 braces. Child class inherit the properties of parent class, creating an object of child class. Calling child class and parent class method using object of child class. The output is child method, parent method. So I hope you understand what is inheritance. Now, let's make an example of inheritance. So we make class and then dog, braces, public void, D1 in short of dog, then bracket and braces again, then system dot out dot print line bracket, then mother dog, then we're going to make public class. This is the child, then we're going to make it puppy. Puppy extends. Then we're going to call the parent class that was his dog. Dog, braces, then next will be public void P1 for puppy in short, then bracket again, braces, then system dot out dot print line, then bracket, copy. So we're going to make public static void, public static void, then main bracket again, string or then close bracket, braces again, then now we're going to call the child class. Copy, cp was new child bracket, we're going to bring down this cd, call the parent class and child class. Cd dot cd dot d1 bracket, ay, cd dot d1 bracket braces. So we call the method of parent class and child class. So now let's run it. Ooh, small, small letter, copy. So now, as you can see, in child class, it can call the parent class. So this is the end of the demo in inheritance. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmate. I am Ana Monique P. Aragon. So, for today, my topic is all about abstraction. So, for today, the topic for the my topic for today is all about abstraction. What is abstraction and why need to learn the abstraction from programming? So, what is abstraction? Abstraction hiding of data is known as data abstraction. It is object-oriented programming language. This is implemented automatically while writing the code in the from the class and object. Abstraction show only important things to the user and hide the internal details. So in short, the abstraction is showing the only important things to the user. So means the the details are in data is not important. So I have an example here, the laptop without abstraction and using abstraction. So the purpose of abstraction is only to operate. Then the details or data, the process of data or details is not important. So, punta tayo sa code. Kita natin. Ano nga ba talaga yung abstraction in programming? So, sabi, Sabi nga dito, hindi nga kailangan yung details niya or yung data. So, parang sinasabi dito is yung kailangan lang niya yung talagang importante. So, mag-code tayo. Abstract. Abstract rules. Some. Then, public. Abstract. Rule. Plus. So, yung ika-calculate natin is sum. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging abstract calculator. So, pwede din natin siyang lagyan ng extend. Extend sum. Public. So, mabagal pa ako. Public void. Compute. So, magko-compute tayo. Ito yung so yung x natin is 30. So, then y equals 40. So, system print out. So, magko-code muna ako para explain. Print. So, sum plus s. So, wala ako ang sum in s equal x plus y. Ayan. So, pupunta na tayo sa my min. Tayo sa min. So, dito, tatawagin yung plus natin, yung the calculator, and the abstract class. So, yung min natin, public class extend. So, lalagyan din natin ng extends yung min natin to calculate. Static void. So, string arch. So, yung min natin is calculator. Min cal equal min. What is the min natin? So, ano yung hinahanap nating output dito nun? Yung sum ng x and y. Calc, then compute. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung mag-e-execute siya. So, may error. Ano yung error? Kalimutan natin siya. September pa. Execute. May kulang pa. Kulang yung public natin. Okay. Ang dami natin. Sum. Sum. Class. Symbol of cal. Ano yung mali natin? May one error tayo. Ano kaya dito? So, execute natin. Meron na naman. Also, card. So, yan. Nakuha na natin yung output natin. Sum 70. So, meron tayong abstract class, meron tayong class, tsaka public class. So, method, ay, ito yung class. Then, meron tayong method. Meron tayong dalawang method na. Meron tayong dalawang isa. Ayan. Meron tayong abstract class, tsaka abstract method. Ito nga yung kanina yung sa code natin. Yung abstract class natin ay magamit tayo ng object. Ayun. Ayun po. Nakita natin kung paano mag-code ng abstract. Ayun lang ang ating discussion for today. So, thank you for listening.
Hi guys, my name is Kristen Esmar and today I'm going to show you how to do encapsulation. Encapsulation in Java is a mechanism of wrapping the data, variables, and coding data methods together as a single unit. Encapsulation is the way to achieve abstraction. For objects data, hides objects' properties from the outer world, and provides methods to get set object data, also called data hiding. The advantage of encapsulation: first, loosely coupled data. Number 2, better access, control, and security. Number 3, reusable code. And 4, easy to test.
Hi guys, this is the demo of encapsulation. So, ayan. Just write public class. Then extends person. By the way guys, the word encapsulation is derived from itself capsule. If you want it to private, then you will do the encapsulation process. Yan. Then public static void main Then we're going to do the setter, which means setter is a method used to set encapsulation variables. Guys, when we use encapsulation, we declare attributes as a private. Yeah, as private. And public void. Then guys, this is the getter, which means is a method used to get encapsulated variables.
So, hi guys, my name is David Fernandez, and in this video, I will explain to you the difference between static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. So, static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism. Static polymorphism, a polymorphism that is resolved during compile time, is known as static polymorphism. Method overloading is an example of compile time polymorphism. Method overloading is a feature that allows a class to have the same name but with different parameter list. Let's go. And dynamic polymorphism. It is a process in which a call to an overridden method is resolved at runtime. That's why it is called runtime polymorphism. Method overriding is one of the ways to achieve dynamic polymorphism. So, dynamic polymorphism method overriding. Overriding is a feature that allows the subclass or child class to provide a specific implementation of a method that's already one of the superclasses or parent classes. So let's go to the source code. So, ito yung code. Ay, yung nakapangalan sa unang subclass is gun. Sa pangalawa is sword, and pangatlo yung bomb. Try natin run. Yan. Yan yung output. The gun says pew pew pew. So, kaya ganyan yung title. Yung naka-input na text dito ay ayan. Yan. Patulad lang din ng sa gun, ganun din sa sword, tsaka sa bomb. So, try natin ibahin. Gawin natin siya spear. Try natin raan. So, yan, nag-error siya kasi walang spear na naka-input dito. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.